Your BI module uses your historical data and transforms it into actionable insights, which will enable you to make better business decisions. The sales section in Business Intelligence gives you powerful sales insights across various areas of your business in just a few clicks. From your Unleashed dashboard, click the Explore More button under the Sales tile. Alternatively, you can select Business Intelligence and navigate to Sales from your sidebar. Then select the Vision tab. The BI Vision module features an interactive dashboard with a customizable date range. To change the date, simply click in the calendar and then click Apply. Within the Sales section, we have 5 KPI tiles we are able to explore: sales revenue, gross profit percentage, sales orders, and average revenue per order. We can drill down into these KPIs to gain more detailed insights. Extract information across different metrics by clicking on a measure and cross-filtering with any other measure. With each click, Vision recalculates your data. The possibilities are endless. Reset your filters by clicking Clear All at the top. Now, let's explore our KPIs in more detail. Here, we can clearly see how we're performing in various areas of the business. For example, here I can quickly see which salesperson has brought in the most revenue for the month. I can then click on that person to drill down to their individual metrics, showing me which regions and channels most of their sales have come from. You are able to get this level of detail with each KPI tile. As another example, let's look at number of sales orders in a particular region. With a couple of clicks, I can easily see sales order trends for the one region I selected. As your business grows or changes, you'll be able to easily identify sales growth trends using the Vision module, enabling you to make better business decisions. Thank you for watching.